everyone, and welcome. My name is Conforti, and I am a business process consultant at GlideFast. And today we're going to be diving into some exciting updates for the hardware asset management in the latest ServiceNow Yokohama release. My goal is to walk you through what's new, why does it matter for your organization, and most importantly, how these enhancements will positively impact your end users and daily operations. The Yokohama release brings a host of improvements across the ServiceNow platform, and HAM is no exception. We'll be focusing on three key areas. Asset attestation. This is a game changer for verifying physical asset ownership. Operational and technology asset normalization, also known as OT asset normalization. This will be bringing consistency to your critical industry assets, especially for your IT OT convergence. And last is a UI and workspace enhancements, making the hardware asset workspace even more intuitive and efficient. Now let's start with asset attestation. And this is a powerful new feature designed to streamline the process of validating where your hardware assets are and who has them. In today's remote and hybrid work environments, making physical inventory checks can be burdensome. Now let's show you how asset attestation simplifies this. As you can see, I'm in the hardware asset workspace. I come down here to inventory. You'll see that there's a new tab, asset attestation, pops up. We will complete a new one. Now you have the option to do a one-time or reoccurrence. For this demonstration, we'll be doing a reoccurrence. As you can see, when we get on the schedule form, you'll get a pop-up letting you know that the users will receive an email notification requiring them to confirm their assets by a scheduled date. We will go ahead and name our schedule. We will do this for every 30 days. We'll start today's date and let's send it out for a year. As you can see here, we can select by model category. In this instance, we'll do computers. And I can filter out on, depending on location, department, and a variety of other filters. For this instance, we will select it by the manager. As you can see, it will allow you to know what matching results and who this will be sent out to. At this point, I have all required fields. I will click Save. And the schedule attestation has been created. At this point, I will land on Employee Center. I will impersonate Mr. Dwight Schrute. If you notice up here at the top, there's my task and my assets with a notification. And here, I can either raise an issue or confirm that I have the asset. Click and raise issue. And I would be able to fill in any information that my manager may need when it comes to confirming my asset. If it was lost or stolen, or if there's anything else that needed to be changed. We'll go ahead and leave and head back. I'll go ahead and confirm my Think server. And I'll say, yes, I have this. I verified the serial number. As you can see, I can still raise an issue afterwards. As you can see, this simplifies the process of confirming your asset ownership, making it less intrusive and more user-friendly when trying to find the right assets to the right people. And this also empowers the end user to report issues directly and easily specify what's going on with their devices. This means better data, less manual effort, and ultimately a more efficient and accurate hardware asset inventory. Next up, let's talk about operational technology asset normalization. As IT and OT environments converge, managing these specialized assets consistently become paramount. The Yokohama release enhances HAM's ability to normalize OT asset data. Now you might be asking, why is this important? From business impact, it's going to give you a unified view. It's going to provide a clear, unified view of your entire operational technology landscape, breaking down the silos between IT and OT. It's going to improve your security and compliance. And this is critical for cybersecurity and industrial environments, meeting regulatory and compliance requirements. Also, it's going to provide you Accurate planning, reducing data inconsistencies that can lead to errors and misinformed maintenance or investment decisions. This is also going to provide a better CMDB foundation for you between your OT CIs, making sure that they are consistent and reliable. Now, this will help by affecting the end users for the OT engineers and IT professionals to be able to get consistent, standardized data for industrial equipment, regardless of vendor or discovery source. This will also allow you for faster troubleshooting, less time deciphering inconsistent records, more time on actual operational tasks and issue resolution. This will also give you simplified reporting, easier to generate accurate reports on OT assets. Now, within my hardware asset management workspace, I can head down here to asset estates. I'll click on all assets. And as you can see, there's a new field, OT entity. I will go ahead and filter this out to show me some of the models for some of the OT items. We could take this Siemens CGS-2520-16S-APC IP switch. We can look into this piece of equipment. Now, as you can see, that this is within your hardware asset management workspace. Go ahead and copy this number over, and we will head over to model management. I'll head to all models, and I will search for the specific item. Clicking in here, as you can see, the difference is that I was in a record before, while this is going to be the models, allow me to choose from 14 different assets if need be. But coming back here to the details page, if I scroll down, you can see we now have normalization within here. If you want to exclude it from content services, you are more than able to. Otherwise, ServiceNow will be able to provide normalized manufacturer, product, and model names. This means that unmanaged and unnormalized OT models are now brought into a powerful content-driven normalization process, ensuring that items like Siemens is always standardized as Siemens AG, regardless how it's discovered or how its specified model category might have been structured in the past. Finally, let's touch upon the general UI and workspace enhancements. ServiceNow consistently refines its user interface to improve efficiency and user experience. And Yokohama is no different for HAM. This release is also going to bring significant strides in accessibility. When you first enter the hardware asset workspace, you'll immediately notice the intuitive layout designed to streamline your daily tasks as an asset manager. Dashboards are clear, navigation is efficient. So a key update is going to be reflow. This is going to introduce automatic page reflow capabilities, allowing users with low vision or trouble seeing web content due to monitor size to automatically transform the page layout when the browser zooms in to 400%. I will now zoom in, and as you will see, the page will automatically adapt, providing a vertical scroll until you get to one of the items to click on, and then allowing you to be able to scroll over from there. This is going to give a more visual appealing to those that may have a hard time seeing. I will zoom out. So quickly to recap, Yokohama release for hardware asset management delivers significant value through asset attestation, revolution how you can conduct physical asset audits with precision, operational technology, asset normalization, bringing consistency to your critical industry assets and pull them into HAM, even if previously outside its scope, and the UI new workspace enhancement, providing a more seamless, efficient user experience within the workspaces. I encourage you all to explore these features in your own ServiceNow instances. They're designed directly to address common business challenges in hardware asset management and provide tangible benefits to your teams. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or would like to dive deeper into any of these features, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and we will come up with the next video for you. Thank you.